Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on night mode or the dark mode setting on YouTube. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in youtube.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official YouTube website. And now once you're on the YouTube website, you can click on the sign in button at the top right corner if you wish to do so, and then use your credentials to log into your account. After you are logged into your account, you can just click on your account icon at the top right corner, and now you will find various different options, including the appearance option. Go ahead and tap on this. And now the default option will most likely be use device theme. Now if your device is not automatically set to dark mode, then you can click on this appearance option and then choose the dark theme. This will now directly apply the dark theme option onto your YouTube website, and you can come back to this menu as many times as you want and change your appearance from dark and the light mode. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the YouTube website or application to dark mode. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.